आता खबरो विस्तारान. राज्य सरकार येवपी 3 म्हयन्या भितर शेती धोरण घेवन मुखार येवपाचे आसा. सामुदायिक शेती विशयाचेर ही पॉलिसी भर दितली. गोंयकार अशा कामांनी रुची घेयना ही एक व्हड समस्या आसा. गोंयकार शेती क्षेत्रांत कितल्योशोच गजाली करपाक शकता म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत नाबार्डाच्या कार्यावळीक उलयल्यात. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Till there are so many vacancies at present is also in the state of the Goa. Only the positive mindset which is required. We want to change the mindset of the people which is required. So many opportunities are there and the government is giving the different opportunities in the different field. We are coming up we having our IT policy, we having the industrial policy. So the government, various department is doing now for the last 8 to 9 months. I am working continuously with all the head of the departments. With I think another 2 to 3 months is required. Definitely there will be the change in the state of Goa. Madam just now spoken about the agriculture policy. We are also coming up with the good agriculture policy to revamp with the community farming also. And for that, different types of agriculture which is required, or the dairy farming, agriculture, horticulture, even though the piggery, poultry, all those things. But no Goan people are taking the initiatives. It is my honest request to you. You also take the initiatives to promote them, to take the initiatives in this field. They will change the scenario of the Goa.